हो गया हो गया।
Can you all hear me?
Good evening, Sudev. Yes, I can
Oh,
hear you loud and
Devji,
clear.
how are you?
Arey, no. This is Jayanti.
Acha, you're on Dev's. Acha, okay.
Good morning, Ravindra ji.
गुड मॉर्निंग। ये अच्छा ये मेरे को मैं अच्छा ये इसने ये आईडी लिया क्या? अरे राम। एक मिनट मैं फिर से ज्वाइन करता हूँ। ये वो गौरव जी का आईडी उनको फिर मीटिंग
No,
में
you've become Ravindra now.
No, I have just changed the name, but still the
ये
photo is
फोटो
of.
कैसे आ गया? नहीं ये गलत है। एक मिनट आई जस्ट साइन अप। एक मिनट गिव मी मिनट।
Sudev ji, you can just set up your machines.
Yeah, I'm up on the other laptop anyway.
Perfect. I'll just conduct in another 2-3
Take
minutes.
your time, no problem.
Okay, sir.
I was thinking I'll be late because today I had dinner very late, So, but luckily you were also a few minutes, so it's okay. I got to finish my dinner.
Okay. I'll just take 2 more minutes. I'm just setting up something. Okay.
The Dhananjay is also waiting, I think.
Yes, sir. We are here.
Sorry, I think there's some glitch going on. I don't know why. Hmm.
Good evening, Dhananjay ji. Namaste. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Sorry.
अमेरिका में वीकेंड वीक ही रहता है, काम करना पड़ता है।
अच्छा। Okay. So, Ravindra ji, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Please go ahead.
So, are we expecting Deepti ji as well, or should we continue with just 2 participants today?
No, we should continue basically. She will join if she feels a need.
Okay, but is there any update on whether she's continuing, or is it more like still she's figuring out?
I can't hear you. Could you please say it again?
Yeah. Do we have any decision on whether she's continuing with Python or is she still figuring out?
No, still in a soup basically. Let's see. Let's continue with ourselves, and I think there'll be more candidates. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, no issues, no issues.
And
So,
these are all it's getting recorded, right?
correct.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So please don't worry. Let's go ahead.
Okay. So Sudev ji, Dhananjay ji, I hope you got some time to practice it up. So before moving on to something new, let's just discuss around how was the experience, any challenges, the learnings.
Dhananjay ji, you want to go first or should I? I think you're on mute.
Sorry, what? Go ahead. What was the question?
No, he's saying that about the practice questions and all he sent.
I didn't do the practice, but I think I'm good with the concept. So I kind of
So I thought this is what I thought. I also thought the concept was easy. And the first time we had a class, I was like freaked out. Oh my God. So I saw all the videos and I did it more sincerely. But then, last class and even after the first class, I said, okay, this is manageable. And I thought the concept was very clear. And so normally every day I would.
I'm not trying to take it lightly.
But I took it a little lightly, like compared to what I did last time, sir. And when I went to do the example, I got stuck. So then I was like, it was so easy. Why? And then so I'll tell you what happened. For example, in the you sent some practice in that Python data types before sequence data type. You sent some practice questions. Where was it? Let me just pull it up. It was, I think, line input 40 something. Wait, input 60.
Somewhere in the between, yes.
60 input 40 to 60 का बीच में कहीं पे था एक मिनट. Where is it? No, this is after list, no?
After list. It's on my
After
screen
list.
if you want.
It's on your screen? Okay, yeah. So here's the one. Wait, I want to see. So wait, I want to pull up what happened, why it went wrong. What do you know what input line it is?
No, since we haven't executed now, it's
one
but
second.
it's some. But if you observe the scroll bar, it is somewhere at 50% only,
50%,
a little above
okay,
50%.
little above 50%. Right.
Do Control F, na?
Mute
Control F, practice space work. It will directly
Control
jump
F.
to practice
then?
space work.
Practice
Space work. It will take you to that particular text.
Practice work.
That's basically searching through the web page content. Control F.
So basically what happened was the first one I was getting stuck, but then I figured out I put it in round bracket. It sorted itself out. There's also the syntax of using lowercase. The second one was also easy. 111 is there. It came to false. Okay. From the third one, that 7.3 where the x equals hello world. So I wrote type x equals in quotes hello world, and there was a syntax invalid syntax. So from there, and then the one after that, that 1201, I was like, oh, well, I thought it was so easy. Why am I getting stuck when I'm doing practice? So I realized that although the way you're teaching it, it makes it so simple and easy to understand. When you go to practice, unless you practice, I'll get stuck. And I am guilty that compared to the first time, I took it a little lightly. Also had some stuff going on the weekend. So this second and from this 3 and 4, I was a little stuck. So I wrote hello type x equals inverted commas hello world close inverted commas, and it type was lowercase. So there was a syntax error. It says invalid syntax.
Okay, but finally, were you able to manage it?
No, in fact, this 3 I wasn't. In fact, let me. I think I tried different permutations. I moved the quotation marks, and I hit run. That also didn't work. Then I tried. I just. What was it? It was.
So I think it was pretty simple. Since we are on this question, I'll just do it for you. So you have this code x is equals to
hello world.
Hello world. So x is the name of the container.
Correct.
And hello world is the value within it, right? So first I'll print x, print the value of x, so that to confirm whether x has the value hello world or not. So I can see that it has printed hello world, right? Yahan tak sahi hai. Now to print the type, I just have to do type, which is a function which will give me the type of x.
Oh,
Done.
acha.
That's it. pretty straightforward.
Okay. And even the one after that, I was that 1:1. I tried to write 0, 1 in digits, etc. So I
No,
think
no.
I'm messing up. And then also I removed the curly bracket because you said there's no curly bracket in. There was no
Mm,
curly bracket, right?
so in questions like this, na, you have to simply copy paste the line.
Yeah, I did that. I copy paste. I wrote type D equals that, and then there was syntax. Then I tried to. I just tried 0, 1 in digits and stuff. I don't think I was doing it the right way.
I'll just tell you about it. So just copy here.
Uh-huh.
So curly brackets I haven't covered till now,
Mm.
but it's for another sequence data type. So D here, right? So I'll just print D
Okay,
to
so you have to do
confirm.
print to confirm.
No, yeah. So why do you do print? Just to confirm whether D has got those values or not. Otherwise वो ऊपर के जैसा होगा. You think is equals to मार दिया मतलब data आ गया. But to confirm whether data actually D के अंदर store हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, you have to print it.
अच्छा.
So now I can see that D prints this data.
अच्छा.
अगर कुछ भी error होता तो either it would have been blank
Hmm.
or it would have been given some random value.
Then you
But
write
that
type
is
D.
not.
Then you write type D, is it?
Yeah, since the value is stored in the container D, now I can do type of D.
But when you explained last class, we didn't do anything like this. That to see it, you must first do print and check. Is that a necessity step for
No, no,
every?
no, 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 no. So I can ignore this step.
Yeah. Oh, but you write just type D then.
Why D? Because that is for my own convenience as a programmer.
To
So
check,
since I'm
to check.
starting, yes, yes. So with programming, you cannot be 100% confident, right? Let me give you this example. ये जो हमने ऊपर किया था ये वाला, right? Temp where के अंदर मैं a list of 0 डाल रहा हूँ. Where is it? Give me 1 second. Yeah, this one, right? तो यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है कि temp where के अंदर चला गया, but when I'm printing, it is printing blank. Do you remember this example 56 and 57?
Temp के अंदर print a list
तो
0.
यहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि भाई temp where के अंदर 1 आ गया,
Yeah.
but actually temp where blank है. When I executed this here in line number
Yeah.
57, temp where
Because
was
print a list is 1.
right. So now you know. पहले आपको आउटपुट आया जब आपने देखा temp where blank है, उसके बाद आपने रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग करके फाइंड आउट किया कि ओके मैं यहाँ पे प्रिंट कर रहा हूँ. बट व्हाट इफ यू आर अंडर द अजम्पशन कि चलो भाई मेरा कोड मस्त है, I'll continue with the next part. So at that time you don't know, right? It is only when you print the value you came to know okay मेरा डब्बा तो खाली है.
अच्छा.
मुझे लग रहा था कि मैंने उसके अंदर कुछ डाला था और it should store that value, but वो तो डब्बा खाली है. जैसे temp where is the डब्बा जो खाली है. It is only when you came to know print, right? वैसा. So with that thought process, since we are starting, so we have to, so it's like a step. Okay, I'm doing one step, I'm checking whether data आया कि नहीं आया. So to check that, I'm using print.
अच्छा. I understand, but when we were like last class, were we? I mean, you are saying to do it as a good step, and we will also. But were we supposed to do it in the last class? Because I didn't have it in my mind that first I must check with print, etc.
No, no.
But anyway,
See,
I will. I agree. Maybe I should run it a little more sincerely. That whole thing. But I thought it was so simple. You had given 4 questions. फटाफट हो जाएगा. Oh my God! I went to do it, and that's like stuck.
No issues. So okay. So this practice questions are supposed to be done only then you'll come to know कि भाई whether जो मैं बता रहा हूँ वो actually is it going in the inner layer of your brain or is it just on the surface?
For example, this Boolean type, float, integers, these were I didn't have any problems. In fact, it's when I'm writing the code for anything a little more complicated is when I got but anyway, let's it's nothing. Now you explain, I understand.
So see, there are 2 ways of getting the type of a data type, right? First is कि भाई मैंने type के अंदर पूरा का पूरा value डाल दिया, ठीक है? The second way is, let me take a pen. The first way is मैंने type के अंदर पूरा का पूरा value डाल दिया कि भाई type of 1 क्या रहेगा? Integer.
Correct.
दूसरा मैंने क्या किया? This is way 1. Second way is by using variables. So what I'm doing, I'm creating a variable x. उसके अंदर मैंने वैल्यू डाला 1 और फिर मैंने टाइप किया type of x, right? Still it will give me the same कि the type of
result,
x is int,
one.
the results will be same. So अपन ने ये cover किया था. We didn't started too much very depth on this,
अच्छा, अच्छा,
but
okay.
this was a concept of variables.
Yeah, right.
ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
So how does this help? Yeah, बोलिए please go ahead.
No, nothing. Carry on.
Yeah. So this is a variable, this is a container. भाई ये नाम है, इस नाम के अंदर कोई भी हो सकता है. So आज मैं 1 दे रहा हूँ, कल जाके मैंने एक लिस्ट दे दिया.
Yeah, correct.
Right? परसों जाके मैंने एक टपल दे दिया. टपल with
Yeah.
is declared with round brackets. This code will not change. Type of x ही रहेगा. X is a container. जिसको मैंने नाम दे दिया x. एक जैसे हम लोग का एक नाम होता है ह्यूमन नेम, ऐसे वेरिएबल को एक नाम दे दिया.
स्टोरेज लोकेशन ऐसा समझ लो.
Right. So whenever I want to do something, I can just pinpoint an x and do something.
Okay.
ठीक है ना? That is the concept of variables.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. One second, just my mother, just take the phone. Ma, আমি ক্লাসে আছি, আমি পরে ফোন করছি মা.
I'll just
Sorry about that.
No issues.
My mother, they all wake up in India and they call at this time.
Okay, so quick summary about what we covered last time and then we'll continue, right? So we started with the data types. We understand data types is like our kitchen utensils, different data types for different purposes. In kitchen we have bowl, glass, plates, thalis, all those things. Here also we have different types of data types. So first numeric data types, उसके अंदर 3 है. Integer, which is a number without any decimal point, float, number with decimal points, and we have complex, which has real and imaginary values. Complex we'll never be using much in our lifetime, so it is just for theory purpose. It exists. उसके बाद आता है boolean. As the name suggests, boolean can take only 2 possible values, true or false on the surface, but it gets stored in 1 and 0 in the memory. So true is 1 and false is 0. So yes or no, true or false, 1 0 meaning the same. 1 means yes, 0 means no. Right, then we moved on to sequence data type. What is sequence data type? That's a type of data type. Sequence means it's a collection of data types. Jaise list. Now we have something called as list here. What is list? List is a ordered collection of dissimilar data types. So there are 2 keywords, ordered or dissimilar, which means all the elements need not to be of the same data type. For example, in input line number 31, let me zoom it if you want, we had 3 integers and 1 string. Similarly, here I had 1 integer, 1 float, 1 boolean, 1 string, and again 1 float
number.
No, this is float. 1 e raised to the power 7. The output is this.
But okay, exponential does not come under imaginary.
No, it is
under complex number. Sorry.
Nope. Complex number का definition क्या? You need to have 1 real number and 1 imaginary number.
Okay.
Right, which is denoted by the form
I.
x plus ij.
Okay.
Right, where x is a number, j is a number, but I stands for imaginary variable. ठीक है ना? We'll never ever use complex in our life. Trust me. So मैं कभी example भी नहीं दूंगा complex का. Never. In practical life also you'll never use complex. This is for scientists, mathematicians who work on that level. If you ask me, I am still not very confident on what is real, what is imaginary from the school days itself.
Okay.
Right. So there are still concepts like that I have studied for 4 years, like derivations and integration, but never used in my lifetime.
Correct. Multiple derivatives under integral sign, multiple integrations under derivative sign.
Yes.
All those confusing things. Good thing.
Yes. So there are people who are using it, but not us.
One of it.
Yes. I'm happy with the plus, minus, multiplication, division. ठीक है? So boolean हो गया, numerical हो गया. Then we moved on to list. अब list, if I want to append any value, So I use the list का नाम which is the object name dot append, और जो भी मुझे element डालना है that comes under the, so these are called as
This I
methods and
remember. This
functions.
part I remember.
Yeah,
Very
so
clear.
this is called as methods and functions. There is a very slight difference between a method and function that I'll cover going forward, but right now दोनों का काम वही होता है. Methods और functions क्यों use करते हैं? To automate that same thing. एक बार बनाओ, बार बार use करो. Now this is a inbuilt method, which means किसी ने already code बना दिया है, मुझे सिर्फ use करना है. अगर मैं खुद ही method बनाता हूँ, तो it is called as user defined method. But ये method already list के साथ आता ही है. Some smart people have already developed it, so I just have to use it. तो उसको use ऐसे करते हैं. This is called as an argument. Methods are always, उनका जो syntax होता है वो होता है नाम और round brackets. और उस round brackets के अंदर the number of arguments that they take, उसको arguments बोल सकते हैं या parameters बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है? So here I just pass one argument or one parameter which is the item that I want to append to the existing list. So पहले मेरा list यहाँ तक था, उसके बाद वो यहाँ तक हो गया when I appended. So I added a new element in the list on the last part. मतलब end में add किया. Then okay, access कैसे करते हैं? So अगर so I have index position. I have something called as index. Index starts from 0 or 1, Sudev ji?
0.
Perfect. So here
This part I remember is very clear that 0 and then sorry you have 4 and then the second of the fourth.
correct. तो जितने सब लिस्ट होंगे उतने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स बढ़ जाएंगे.
Add कर देंगे. My question is like when you explained it, it's so nicely understood. Later on when I go to do it on my own, I mean when you are not around, how would one remember where to use temp, where to use print and type? We understood, but temp or what was the other lines? The there's so many other words which are there, like there's temp, there is
no. So what is temp? Temp is again a variable name. मैं इसको कोई भी नाम दे सकता हूँ. I can name this temp is equals to Rajnikant.
right,
So temp is what? Temp is just a label to access that location.
right, but I mean the labels to use at what time to use what is append, dot temp, a dash list, dot pop. These things I would like. Is there a ready writing somewhere? I mean, we can just refer to if you want to do this.
Yes. So for that ना, so the name of the concept is list. ठीक है ना? So just serve a Python list functions.
अच्छा, okay.
ठीक है, तो you will get all these websites. List function. So whatever you want to learn. So one of the websites that I prefer, ये सब official documentation
W3 schools.
W3 schools एक अच्छा है website where you can practice, and there is something called as Geeks for Geeks. This is also nice. Even Data Camp is nice, but ठीक है, I'll keep it for some other time because it is too much detailed. So if you want that level of theory, तो ये रहा, देखो आपका आ गया methods. Right, Python list method. तो आपको पता है append क्या करता है? Add an element at the end of the list, removes all the elements from the list.
अच्छा.
ठीक है ना? Plus if you look at the mail जो मैंने आपको last week share किया था on Friday your time,
there were 2 links also in that.
There were 2 links. So it is not that कि मैं जितना पढ़ा रहा हूँ उतना ही आपको ध्यान देना है, but I am also sharing some good links with you so that in the meantime, because it's not like कि भाई आप you are just learning in the 2 hours that we are conducting this session on. अगर वैसा करेंगे तो that is never going to be enough. You cannot learn a programming language in 6 weeks. But you have to focus on the other days as well. So you have to practice it. और मैं क्या करता हूँ, जो link है ना, that has जो मैंने सिखाया वो तो है ही है, plus it has 20-30% new things, so that we will cover in the next class or we'll discuss it if it's a very simple topic, right? So that is the process we have to do. जो भी links दिए जाते हैं, you have to watch it. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा अलग? हाँ जी,
the way I understand is we are actually, at least me, actually not learning it, but I'm learning it how to learn it. So
true.
how I understand whatever I do not know or how to find it and how to go about it is the real thing which I'm looking for, because I think it's very much impossible for a person to really learn the
Figure
language
out,
inside out in whatever.
correct.
one
You
or
have to
two
know where
months
to
or a
refer
year.
to things.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Yeah.
There is no other way to really do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So you want to know where is what and how I go and get it.
Yeah.
And how do I go finding about it? Where
Yeah.
do I find references? How to approach things?
Mhm.
And what should we watch out for? And those are the basic skills which I think I'm looking for.
Okay.
Absolutely rightly put across, Dhananjay ji. 6 weeks or 8 weeks, for that matter, even 6 months are not enough for to learn end-to-end programming language, right? It is not like you learn the complete thing and then you start working on it. So school में हम लोग क्या करते थे कि we come across new words and we look at our dictionary, right? एक ऑक्सफोर्ड का डिक्शनरी होता था पॉकेट साइज एंड A4 साइज का, मेरे टाइम पे ऐसा होता था. So it's not like you first learn or read the full dictionary and then you write a poem. No, you write a poem or you read a poem, whatever words you do not understand, you go back, refer, and again you continue with that point. So this is how you build the knowledge with time. It's not that पहले पूरा dictionary complete कर दिया फिर आप poem पढ़ने जाओगे.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right.
Yeah, I hope that
Yeah.
that makes sense, guys.
Yeah. I'm just probably my expectation was good. You're controlling my expectation that way. No.
So in any time, अगर कुछ भी आपको नहीं समझता है, I think there are
But
enough resources on the web.
my question, probably this question to be to Ravindra ji. Supposing through Guru schools and we get a job, I mean, we will get stuck sometime like this. So, this time, do we have you people for reference?
Yes. Is Ravindra ji here?
I think he
I
was.
don't see him on the participants list, but
Okay.
maybe I can kind of tell you.
No, okay,
or-
I can have this conversation offline with him. No problem. Let's
No.
continue.
So I wanted.
but most of the time we should know how to go about it. And if we get stuck, just like in our professional life career, we say, I don't know about it, but I'm going to go find it and I'll let you know what I would find and how to go about it. And then we go get the help. We research on our own, try to do certain things, come to some conclusion, present it. This is the way I understand it. What to do about it.
Okay. So I just have an answer for this. Give me 1 second. So just to revise what Guru School has to offer. So Guru School offers 6 pillars, right? Can you see my screen?
No, you're seeing the W3.
Can you
I
see
see
a deck now?
Python wala screen.
You see the W3.
Oh, my bad. I'm really
W3.
sorry.
W3 schools.
अच्छा, मैंने ना आपको पूरा स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं किया है. I have just shared the window. So give me 1 second. I'll share the complete desktop now. Okay, can you see a PPT now?
Yeah.
So okay, so if you observe, तो सबसे the first part is instructor led training which we are currently on. उसके बाद certificate, resume preparation. ये जो interview होता है ना, vendor interview, client interview, this is where you'll break through a job. जो final part है ना, this is again where I'll come, project support, which means we offer support for a year while you are on the job. And it's not only support from mentors like me or Ravindra ji, but it is the support from the whole team. For example, अपना WhatsApp group है या कोई और group है, if you are facing any challenge and Dhananjay ji already has experienced that challenge or he knows how to solve it, then he can pitch in and help you, right? If Dhananjay is not able to answer, whenever I see it, I try to answer it. I try to give a solution for that. So it's more of a collaborative learning that we'll be doing here in project support. So it's not that कि भाई आपको सिखा दिया, you are in the open, you are left to hang dry in open. No, it's not. It does not work that way. So right from instructor training to interviews to crack a job until 1 year of project support. So
Actually, till you perform on the job for a year successfully.
परफेक्ट. तो जैसे वो 1 साल का गारंटी वारंटी आता है, राइट? तो वैसे ही अपने पास भी 1 साल का वारंटी, 1 साल के अंदर we are always ready to help you with any project that you are doing.
Okay, good to know.
ठीक है ना?
Hmm.
Because we know that 6 months is not enough. What 6 months will cover? So sorry, 6 weeks. So I personally have I also do trainings for 6 months as well for different kind of students. But I still know अगर मैं 6 महीना भी बैठ जाऊंगा ना data science सिखाने, still it will not be complete for that matter because it is continuously changing. So I cannot be exhaustive. What I can do is I can, जैसे धनंजय जी ने बोला कि I can teach you how to self explore in times like today. Nobody can have knowledge from the start. You have to build it with time.
Mm-hmm.
You have to be self learned data scientist, if I want to put that word,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that is an important step. Learn to learn. We are not learning Python, but we are also learning how to learn,
If
how
you're
to figure out solution
let's
to
get
a
references,
problem.
yeah.
Perfect, perfect.
Okay, fair enough.
So जैसे project management होता है, right? We do not know what the project is, but we know how to manage the project. That's kind of thing.
Yep, totally. So कभी भी सुदेव जी, कभी भी आपको ऐसा लगता है what does that mean, just simply google it.
Yeah, you're correct.
कोई भी error
Okay.
आता है, so last time I taught you how to get the explanation of an error, right? कि भाई ऐसा how to
Cut it and
manage
paste it
errors.
on Google, you said.
Yes, yes, and go
And then
to Stack Overflow.
you'll find like Reddit forums or something. What's that? Like, you know, Quora or something. Someone would have told you.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, I remember that.
Stack Overflow is the name of the website, and this is a community. It's similar to Quora, but people do not answer any questions, but only technical error questions. That how do I do
Yeah, you
that?
told me the name. What was the name again? You said
Stack Overflow. I'll just
Stack Overflow. Yes, yes, yes. I'm just looking at my notes. I'm trying to find it. Geek for Geeks tutorials point W3 schools. 3 you said.
Yes, these are for learning.
Achha,
If you want to learn something, and that is for error handling. If you get an error
handling.
error
Stack work.
Stack Overflow. I'll just
Oh
type
yeah,
it.
Stack Overflow.
I'll just
.com.
type it, stackoverflow.com. So I have written it in chat as well.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Thank you.
Okay, okay. So here we are learning about list, right? So अपने को पता है लिस्ट को डिफाइन कैसे करना है. एक बार बन गया लिस्ट, उसके बाद उसको मॉडिफाई कैसे करेंगे वो हमको यहाँ पे पता चल जाता है कि भाई दिस आर ऑल द फंक्शंस दैट आर पॉसिबल. जैसे अपेंड मेरे को पता है, इफ आई वांट टू ऐड, अभी मेरे करंट लिस्ट में 4 ही आइटम्स है, मुझे एक और आइटम और एलिमेंट ऐड करना है तो आई कैन डू
append bracket.
करेक्ट. इफ आई वांट टू क्लियर एवरीथिंग, मुझे एकदम लिस्ट को मुझे डिलीट नहीं करना है, बट मुझे उसके अंदर के एलिमेंट्स को डिलीट करना है. जैसे कि शॉपिंग लिस्ट है, आज का मेरा शॉपिंग लिस्ट क्लियर हो गया तो आई रिमूव्ड ऑल द एलिमेंट्स, उसके लिए क्लियर है. आई वांट टू कॉपी, सो कॉपी. आई वांट टू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, सो काउंट, एंड सो ऑन, राइट? तो बहुत सारे फंक्शंस है, बहुत सारे मेथड्स है यहाँ पे. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व. हाँ जी.
Well, clear is so. I see the parenthesis. Does that mean do we really pass any parameters, or most of them do not take any parameters?
No,
Or
so
where?
clear, I don't think so clear takes any parenthesis, any parameters. I'll just click on it.
Chalega?
Yes, it does not take that. Can you see?
Yeah. So I cannot clear only from 5 to 10.
Nope, it's complete clear.
Yeah. Clear matlab wipe out.
Ekdam. Okay. So there are some methods that do not expect any arguments from you. Okay. Then we moved on to, okay, then we saw what happens when you print something and what happens when you just put it the way, right?
One is it just comes, doesn't stay in the local memory. The other one is it runs it as a function, and it spits out a a result.
Right. So when you write it, just when you write print, it just displays.
It displays it, correct.
It displays once. You cannot use it, but if you just run it,
then even
you can
the
use
characters, the numbers also stay.
Yes, it will be stored somewhere in the memory. It occupies some space, which means it can be reused.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. So this is the last thing that we covered. Remove means Okay, so I let me take some example. अभी तक वो हमने रन नहीं
Remove,
किया
you said from one part of the list, you can choose the number. See, like that. Where was it you done? Remove 2 means remove the third element from the list, you know?
राइट. सो मैं क्या करूंगा, अब देखो एक चीज अच्छा ये भी है जुपिटर का. अगेन दिस इज नॉट पाइथन बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द फीचर ऑफ जुपिटर टूल. अब लास्ट टाइम मैंने जो रन किया था, अभी ए लिस्ट करके अभी तक कुछ बना नहीं है, बिकॉज आई ओपन दिस फाइल जस्ट टुडे मॉर्निंग. ठीक है, तो अभी इफ अगर मैं इसको रन करूंगा ये मेरे को एरर देगा कि नेम ए लिस्ट इज नॉट डिफाइंड, बिकॉज ऊपर कहीं पे मैंने उसको डिफाइन किया था. अब एक एक लाइन ऑफ कोड तो मैं एग्जीक्यूट करने बैठूंगा नहीं. दैट इज नॉट एफिशिएंट, राइट? आई कैन डू दैट बट दैट इज नॉट एफिशिएंट running one line individually. What I can do, cell run all above, which means ऊपर की जितनी भी लाइंस है, ऊपर के जितने भी कोड्स है उसको रन कर दो. So now it will run till here.
Go to start. Start.
Okay, so ये यहाँ तक रन किया बट यहाँ पे उसको एरर आ गया. So it stopped there. So I have to just run from here. अब मैं इसको करूंगा ना, ये एरर नहीं देगा. क्यों? बिकॉज अभी मैंने ए लिस्ट को डिफाइन कर दिया है.
Oh, you printed it and checked container में क्या है, you said, right?
Right. ठीक है, so now I've just modified it here. Now, okay, so this is my current. अब I want to remove a element called as 2.
Yeah, was it shift enter or control enter or something?
Shift enter. Either shift enter or if you want to do it at mouse pointer तो ये रहा run.
समझ गया.
ठीक है, अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, अब मैं एक नया आइटम ऐड करता हूँ. So again a list. Okay, let me ask you this question.
Yeah.
अभी यहाँ पे मुझे ना ये list of list को replace करना है with 2. What
Okay.
should I do?
So you do a list replace, you know,
Four.
a list
Index 4.
bracket 1
No.
bracket 2 replace 2. No. How do you, what is the
नंबर
right
क्या
word
है?
for
इंडेक्स
replace?
पहला देना है मेरे को, राइट? सो इंडेक्स कौन सा है? नंबर. वी आर रिप्लेसिंग द फोर्थ, राइट? फोर्थ आइटम.
Just count it. 0, 1,
1 2
2, 3 and
ये 4.
so the item I want to replace is 4.
अब इसके साथ में जो करना है करो.
करेक्ट. अभी रिप्लेस करने से पहले मैं क्या कर लेता हूँ, एक बार उसको प्रिंट कर लेता हूँ. सो नाउ आई नो फॉर श्योर कि भाई यही है, राइट? अब मैं इसको रिप्लेस कर दूंगा विथ अ वैल्यू कॉल्ड एज 2. and then again I'll print a underscore list just to confirm.
दो आना चाहिए,
राइट? तो अभी ये जो सब लिस्ट था उसके जगह पे 2 आ गया.
Why did that come?
क्योंकि
I
वो
replaced it ना.
4 नंबर का आइटम जो था अपना, वो 11 22 33 44 जो भी ग्रुप था, वो हमने नंबर 2 से रिप्लेस कर दिया.
But where is that command showing that we have
वही
replaced?
तो है फर्स्ट लाइन, तो वही तो a list 4 equal to 2 ये बोल दिया हमने.
Okay, you are defining that, I mean.
करेक्ट. और
Oh,
आई एम
okay.
रिप्लेसिंग, दैट्स व्हाट ही इज सेइंग.
Okay.
सो ही सेइंग
अगर
2 को उस चौथे खाने में डाल दो जो भी है वहां पे उसको.
Right. Okay.
okay, so Sudev ji, I think you are getting a bit confused.
I am a little bit. So I mean, I'm just trying to think in input 53 you have defined sorry, input 52 you define the list. Okay. Now
Name.
you want to replace that middle that first fourth entry 11 22. Where did you go? Hold on.
See, मैं आपको बताता हूँ where I have defined the list.
Here you define here.
Here I have defined the list. Input line number 31.
Okay.
ठीक है, this was the first time I was creating it. So जब भी हम लोग कुछ define करते हैं ना, there is a single equals to sign. See, I know there is a lot of things to remember, but don't consider this as an English class. मतलब जहाँ पे आपको remember, it comes with practice. The more you practice, it comes to you. If you just remember it कि okay is equals to मतलब assignment operator, ऐसा याद नहीं रहेगा आपको करना पड़ेगा. तो ऑटोमेटिकली याद रहेगा. डोंट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर इट बट जस्ट ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस इट सो दैट यू ऑटोमेटिकली रिमेंबर इट. ठीक है ना?
तो जैसे 33 में भी देख रहे हैं आप लिस्ट सुदेव, राइट? वहां पे भी वो दिख रहा है इक्वल टू, वो भी
Correct.
डिफाइन।
सो यहाँ पे मैंने पहले डिफाइन किया, डिफाइन मतलब मैंने उसको क्रिएट किया है। अभी ऐसा कुछ लिस्ट अंडरस्कोर सुदेव था ही नहीं, तो मैंने क्या बोला, लिस्ट अंडरस्कोर सुदेव इक्वल्स टू दिस मेनी वैल्यूज, बराबर। एक बार वो बन गया, उसके बाद मैं उसको एडिट कर सकता हूँ। मैं उसको एडिट कैसे करूँ? सबसे पहले मैं उसको अंदर ऐड कैसे करूँ? अगर मुझे ऐड करना है तो आई विल यूज डॉट अपेंड। तो एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट है, उसके अंदर एक एलिमेंट ऐड हो गया।
Yeah, that I understood. Okay.
ठीक है?
Yeah, okay. And then you want to remove also now?
या
So
उसके
then
बाद मेरे को अगर मॉडिफाई करना है, मतलब एक आइटम के जगह पे मेरे को दूसरा आइटम करना है, तो व्हाट आई विल डू, उस इंडेक्स पे अब मेरे को फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे इसको रिप्लेस करना है, इस चीज को,
fourth item.
तो आई कैन नॉट रिप्लेस। सो देयर आर मल्टीपल वेज ऑफ डूइंग दैट। वन ऑफ द वेज इज कि भाई वो जो भी इंडेक्स पे है ना, उस इंडेक्स पे कुछ और डाल दो। व्हेन यू आर रिप्लेसिंग इट, यू आर नॉट रिमूविंग इट, यू आर जस्ट रिप्लेसिंग इट विद अनदर एलिमेंट। ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
सो वॉट एवर एलिमेंट आई वॉन्ट टू रिप्लेस, उसका इंडेक्स पोजीशन में पास करूंगा और मैं बोलूंगा इस इंडेक्स पोजीशन पे 2 को डाल दो।
So the bracket, putting the bracket and the position number means replacing that particular thing. Oh no,
Yes.
hold on. Here you are defining what the fourth position will be. In A list, square bracket 4, you are defining that the fourth place is, those 4 numbers are going to go away, and in that the number 2 is going to come. Then when you execute it, you see it comes that way only. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, just I think you have to remember all these things. See, when you explain it so beautiful, class ke baad when I go to write, fail to student. When I understand, I think, oh, this is so cool. I understood it now, so easy, so nicely explained. You explained it so nicely.
Another one is also, I think, I believe, maybe even dot replace something like a list 4, and then replace agar hai kuch some sort of a method.
There's a remove point. I think there's
Okay, let me check if अगर अपने पास कुछ डॉट रिप्लेस करके है
तो वो भी उस तरीके से भी हो सकता है, मे बी, बट आई डोंट नो।
नो, नहीं, डॉट रिप्लेस
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, मतलब whatever we were doing is right way.
It is the only way. So
remove is the other one.
सुदेव जी, मैं मतलब let me take it part by part.
Okay.
Do not try to gulp this thing as a whole. अभी समझ लो, मुझे जानना है कि what is the element at the index number 10 or index number 5. How would I do that?
So
Yes,
you want to find
Sudev.
out, okay, you want to find out element at index number 5. So for that you ask what is the command?
जी मैं कुछ नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ. I think you want to interact with him a little bit more than me. So
yes,
अगर आपको मुझसे आंसर चाहिए तो पूछना मुझसे.
It will be square bracket 5, but in
no, don't speak. Do one thing, write in chat. Whatever you think, write in chat.
That way I will see it too.
Yeah. So
just write your answer in chat.
Is it going to be input? No. Let me open. I'm going to open W3 in my other line. Hold on. W3 Python. What is your Python commands? Is it called?
List functions.
List functions.
Or just write Python list. That's it. So it will give you from the starting.
Yeah, one second. Right. Append, extend, insert, remove, pop, clear, index. Okay. So it should be sort, reverse, copy. Is it going to index, square bracket? Okay.
नहीं, ठीक है. मतलब let me take it start from, उससे भी start में जाता हूँ. देखो.
Let me think. One. Is this? Oh, this is not right, no?
No.
नहीं.
So you need to have a list का नाम and then square bracket में. So and then square bracket में आता है वो position का number.
Yeah, that part I got, but my thing is the commands I get, the syntax commands I get confused with. So
command is list का नाम और square bracket में उसका इंडेक्स नंबर जो आपको व्हाटएवर करना है उसके साथ में हो।
तो सुदेव जी, इंडेक्स इज नॉट अ कमांड, इंडेक्स इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट। मतलब जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ इंडेक्स स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0, सो एक्चुअली वो इंडेक्स कहीं पे लिखा हुआ नहीं है, इट्स अ कॉन्सेप्ट,
Yeah, yeah. So
राइट?
what
सो
would be
व्हेन
the
आई से
command to find what is the fifth item?
सुदेव जी,
हाँ.
the way I understood it is जैसे इंडिया में ग्राउंड फ्लोर होता है, फर्स्ट
Yeah,
फ्लोर होता
0,
है,
0, 1, 2, 3. That part I understood, but I'm saying
तो
my
वो
confusion
इंडेक्स
is the
नंबर वही
command.
है, फ्लोर नंबर ऐसे पकड़ते
No, my confusion is the command. What command to write to say identify the fifth one?
सो तो जो भी बिल्डिंग नंबर है यहाँ पे, जो भी बिल्डिंग है यहाँ पे, बिल्डिंग का नाम क्या है अपनी?
A list.
करेक्ट। सो ए लिस्ट का 5वां माला,
So
दैट्स
it'll be like this thing. When I'm
यस।
writing oops, sorry. This is what it'll be. I mean, spacing I'll have to correct.
perfect.
Huh?
I
राइट,
think that's how I would have said it too.
यस, दिस इज राइट। सो कहीं पे भी आपको देखो, सी व्हाट इज सिंटैक्स? सिंटैक्स इज द ग्रामर, इट
Grammar,
चेंजेस,
yeah.
इट्स द ग्रामर। तो कल जाके वो ए लिस्ट के जगह पे कोई और होगा। इमेजिन यू आर वर्किंग इन अ रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट,
Mhm.
उसमें लिस्ट का नाम है टेस्ला लिस्ट,
Yeah.
तो और ए लिस्ट की जगह पे टेस्ला लिस्ट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज इट्स
Hmm.
जस्ट अ नेम, इट्स जस्ट अ लेबल,
Hmm.
राइट? और जो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स में है, दैट इज द पोजीशन और द इंडेक्स दैट यू वांट। तो अगर मैं आपको बोलता हूँ आई वांट द इंडेक्स 5th, तो उसके जगह पे इंडेक्स 5 आ जाएगा। अगर मैं बोलता हूँ पोजीशन 5th, अगर मैं पोजीशन बोलता हूँ और इंडेक्स बोलता हूँ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पोजीशन एंड द इंडेक्स?
Position starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct?
What about index? I'm not saying right or wrong, I'm just
Okay.
to finish it first.
Index would mean return 0 base. Say I'm cheating. Okay, return 0 based index in the list of the first item whose value equals to x. It says. So,
Okay,
तो
so this
पोजीशन
you
एक
have
से
read.
ज्यादा होता है इंडेक्स नंबर्स, ऐसे समझ।
So देखो, अगर कोई बंदा रेस कर रहा है बराबर, तो पोजीशन कितनी होती है? 1 2 3।
right.
इंडेक्स स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0,
Oh,
so
okay,
वहां
I
पे
said it the wrong way
0
around.
1 2
Sorry,
होगा।
I meant position is. I was saying position starts from 0. So index is position plus 1 basically.
नो पोजीशन,
Position is index plus 1. I beg your pardon.
हाँ अब समझ
Right.
गया।
Right.
Again,
So
it's all getting confused, but I mean, concepts are clear, but it's just the wording.
पोजीशन रियल वर्ल्ड वाला नंबर पकड़ लो।
Yeah.
हाँ, तो सुदेव जी, कॉन्सेप्ट समझने से कुछ नहीं होगा,
You're
बिकॉज
right.
इन लाइफ
Practice.
कोई आपको पूछेगा नहीं कि
Yeah,
भाई
did you
मुझे
understand?
बताओ, मुझे बताओ। यू हैव टू डू इट ऑन द ग्राउंड, राइट?
Oh God, okay.
So until and unless you pull up your socks, concepts are nothing. वो बोलते हैं ना, idea is shit, execution is what matters.
Correct.
बोलते हैं ना, there
Yeah.
is, I can find 1,000 people with a brilliant idea, but out of those 1,000, how many people are actually going to execute it? That is what matters. Especially we Indians, we think a lot कि भाई I have the next $1 million idea, but that does really count in real life? No, it is execution that matters. ठीक है? सो विद दैट, यू नो, मैं आज आपको थोड़ा सा डांट रहा हूँ
No,
कि
you
आप
should.
सिर्फ
I took it a little
कॉन्सेप्ट पे
light.
ध्यान मत दीजिए,
Hmm.
आप इसके बाद प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। अगर आपको नहीं समझ रहा है, आप उस चीज को बार बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। तो साइकिल, जैसे हम लोग साइकिल सीखते हैं,
Yeah,
तो वो देखने में इजी लगता है कि भाई लेफ्ट और राइट पहिया तो घुमाना है, पैर तो घुमाना है, पर जब चलाते तब पता चलता है ना, यू नो, 2 कदम चलती है और रुक जाती है, बैलेंस नहीं होता है। तो बैलेंसिंग एक आर्ट है जो प्रैक्टिस के साथ आएगा। आप कितना भी उसको थियोरेटिकल समझने की कोशिश करें, एंड दिस गोज फॉर एनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, राइट? तो जितना आप उसको बाउंड थियोरेटिकल समझने की कोशिश करेंगे ना, उतना आप अपने आप को बाउंड कर रहे हैं, रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहे हैं। तो ये ऐसा सीन हो जाएगा कि स्कूल पे हमारा एक फ्रेंड होता था जो हमेशा लर्न करता था TF TF TF, ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू फॉल्स, बट जैसे ही मैंने एक क्वेश्चन आगे पीछे कर दिया, द होल बिल्डिंग कोलैप्सेस। तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, हमको कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखना है, सो दैट एक इस क्वेश्चन को अलग टेंस में आ गया या अलग फ्रेज में आ गया, तो स्टिल आई कैन आंसर इट। ठीक है, इस इतना अच्छा हमको करना है, इतना अच्छा हमको प्रैक्टिस करना है, एंड स्पेशली सिंस यू डू नॉट हैव एनी background in programming, it becomes more important for you to practice. I know धनंजय जी का जो आंसर है, he has worked in programming, इसके लिए he just want to know the syntax. He just want to know, okay, how do I continue to learn? So he still is in a good shape as compared to you, but you need to catch up. ठीक है ना?
I don't
So
want to really overpower or whatever. Only thing is what I want to Sudev ji कि आप नजरिया देखें, the vision, see how to learn, and that is most important. Details बहुत आएंगे जाएंगे भी, बहुत सारे details, इतना पक्का है, और ऐसा बहुत सारी चीजों में मैंने देखा है. So concept पक्का पकड़ के रखिएगा, लेकिन that is the most important part. That's according to that's my 2 cents.
Okay.
okay,
ठीक है
so
सुदेव जी?
Yeah.
so Sudev ji, one simple question for you. सबसे पहले data type क्या होता है? What is the concept of data type?
The concept of data type is basically, I mean, I know there is integer, there is float, there is boolean.
These are
It
all
is-
types. ये सब
हाँ,
प्रकार है.
हाँ,
But data type का meaning ही क्या है? Why do I need a data type?
to identify what's inside the container. What type
Perfect.
of,
perfect. So concept view से ये बहुत ही right है. किचन के अंदर अलग चीजों के लिए अलग बर्तन होता है. वैसे ही for different purpose of data, I have different data types.
Right. Okay.
ठीक है? My name cannot be an integer. My age cannot be a character. Right? Whether I'm married or
Right.
not married cannot be a string. It has to be boolean, true or false. ठीक है ना? So उसके लिए डेटा टाइप होता है. उसके अंदर हम लोग ने पढ़ा इंटीजर होता है, फ्लोट होता है, बराबर. नाउ और एक लिस्ट करके है, वी वर इन लिस्ट. अभी आई वांट यू टू क्रिएट अ लिस्ट ऑफ, आपका एक लिस्ट बनाओ सुदेव जी, कि उसके अंदर मेरे को चार एलिमेंट चाहिए. फर्स्ट इज योर फर्स्ट नेम, सेकंड नेम, your hypothetical salary and your hypothetical age.
Okay.
Just create a list
Okay.
on the chat.
Right, I'm doing that.
Or if you want,
No, I'm doing it. I'm doing it right now. So hype.
Okay. Sorry. I'm just cutting you in between.
Yeah.
Sorry for that. Do you have a screen on front of you that you can share so that you can practice it, not on chat but on the actual Python?
Share screen. Here we go.
Dhananjay ji,
host disabled participant screen share.
मैं करता हूँ आपको. Give me 1 second.
No, कोई problem नहीं. कोई problem
बोर नहीं हो रहे हो?
कोई problem. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I'm good with this.
Let's try now.
I want to take Sudev ji.
Thank you for your patience, Dhananjay ji.
You know,
I'm not pulling you back too much.
No. That's what I really. मैं भी teacher था.
Okay.
So
here we go. I do it on whiteboard.
नहीं. आप जुपिटर स्क्रीन शेयर करोगे और उसके अंदर बनाओगे लिस्ट.
Jupyter. There's just a screen.
my
Jupyter. My Jupyter is open on the other laptop. I have to load it here.
अच्छा, ऐसा है क्या? कर सकोगे आप? Do you think you can create a
Yeah,
new...
I can do it. Let's take a minute only. Hold on.
Okay.
1 second. Jupyter Anaconda. I'll just open here. You'll see. 1 second. It's my other laptop is where I was referring to, so that I can see both screens.
No, just search for Jupyter. Anaconda नहीं. Jupyter.
No, it opens through Anaconda, right? Oh, okay.
नहीं.
Here.
Direct Jupyter कर दो.
Here.
Yes.
Anaconda बहुत slow है. तो
Anaconda. Right. Anaconda का वो क्या होता है? वो पूरा का पूरा वो 10 चीजें स्टार्ट कर देता है. Jupyter मेरे को पता है, मेरे को सिर्फ Jupyter ही चाहिए. So I can directly open that single app that I want, which is Jupyter.
Jupyter is coming as a blank screen like this.
No, it will take some time. It will take a moment. And automatic.
I've always done it via Anaconda, so I'm used to.
I think उन्होंने तो पहले क्लियर कर दिया था कि वो शॉर्टकट जुपिटर का आएगा.
Yeah, I remember. I mean,
I think आपने अपनी ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया उसका.
I'm just.
It's going to take its own little bit sweet time.
Okay. In the meanwhile, let me write on. Tell me, you wanted me to. What will be the first thing?
तो chat में तब तक आप टाइप करो.
You tell me what were the questions again. You first will be what?
आप लिस्ट डिफाइन कर रहे हो एक.
Yes. एक लिस्ट डिफाइन करो सुदेव जी आप, जिसके अंदर मेरे को 4 एलिमेंट चाहिए. Your first name, your last name, your hypothetical salary, and your hypothetical age.
Hypothetical salary. Can we put commas in the middle of the salary? We can't. It will mess it up, right?
No, no, yeah, it will mess it up. It should be
Okay,
continuous
and-
number.
आप
put
करो
different
जो
page.
कहे आने दो
हाँ.
error, then you will know what that's what he means by learning to
Okay, now
swim.
shall I share?
हाँ करो.
चलो अभी आपने जो टाइप किया है ना, आप
हाँ.
उसको उसमें डालो. आप खुद करो. अभी मैं कुछ बोलूंगा नहीं, आपको
Okay,
कुछ
but
पूछना
now
नहीं है.
it's coming as a code. Oh, it's open in the background. Okay.
होगा थोड़ा सा
आ
पेशेंस
गया पीछे आ
अपन
गया.
करेंगे. हाँ.
So I have to open it from what, running, or I normally
नहीं.
go and pull from my downloads and start.
हाँ, तो
Shall I
अभी
do
आप
that?
नया क्रिएट कर रहे हो, राइट? सो जस्ट गो टू योर डेस्कटॉप, क्रिएट अ न्यू फोल्डर. आपके सामने मतलब डेस्कटॉप करके एक फोल्डर है, 4th लाइन एंट्री.
On here you
नहीं,
mean?
नीचे
Oh,
नीचे
yeah, अच्छा, this desktop. Sorry. अच्छा.
Yes.
Okay.
जस्ट
मैं
क्रिएट अ
create
न्यू
new
फोल्डर. आपको वहां पे देखो अपलोड के बाजू में एक न्यू करके ऑप्शन है.
One second. Let me just move this chat. New.
हाँ, बट ओके, एक सेकंड. ये ना आपको यूजर्स के अंदर रहेगा ये फाइल, which you will not be able to access it directly.
तो डेस्कटॉप पे डबल क्लिक करिए.
So either go to your desktop and create a new folder, मतलब through Python interface only. एक नया अपलोड के बाजू में एक न्यू है ना, वहां पे फोल्डर क्रिएट कीजिए. हाँ, फोल्डर बराबर. अभी एक अनटाइटल्ड फोल्डर आ गया, उस पे चेक बॉक्स है ना, उस पे क्लिक कीजिए.
और
ऊपर
ऊपर
आया देखो रीनेम.
लेफ्ट टॉप लेफ्ट लिटिल बिट लेफ्ट अप अप.
Oh, rename.
Up.
I was doing right. I was doing right click. What do I call it?
Whatever you want.
Okay,
मतलब
okay,
जो भी whatever you are comfortable in. Practice question, temporary folder.
Okay.
ठीक है, अब उस फोल्डर के अंदर जाइए एंड दिस विल बी अ प्रैक्टिस ग्राउंड.
Okay.
अभी आप नया पाइथन फाइल बनाइए. कैसे? न्यू में जाके
Wait,
न्यू
wait,
में
wait,
जाके
new, okay.
Python 3
Yeah. And let me cut and paste that code there, right? You said.
type it.
Yeah. Oh, I can't just paste it like this.
You can, but that is when you are a pro. You are
Okay.
learning right
Okay.
now, so type it.
Oh, I won't say. Let it run.
Your machine is a bit slow, huh? This machine is a bit slow.
It's got a lot of stuff on it. It's got, editing software, sound editing, video editing, everything here. Okay.
You
So you're
better
saying
back it up.
pasting will not work, you're saying?
It will work, but I don't want you to
Okay,
paste.
okay,
I want you
wish.
to type.
Wish _ list. It's not coming in color. That itself is a red flag for me.
No, so
Oh.
let him do it. Let him do it,
Okay.
sir.
हाँ ठीक है.
Wish. Oh wait, let me try lowercase.
Just let us know once when you are completed. I'll Dhananjay ji and I'll just hold our comments till then.
Yeah. Okay. So these two integers have been recognized. My name should this be under like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Strings are supposed to be always in double quotes or single quotes, but in quotes.
Okay. And wish and list is not being recognized.
No,
Nor is
so
the bracket.
no, so this is a variable name, right? Variable names do not get recognized.
No, but a underscore list was not recognized. But the bracket should be green. That's it. Is this okay? Shall I run and see what happens?
Run it.
Pura khichdi. Sorry.
So now try to understand the error. मैंने क्या
Okay.
बोला था? जो last line है ना, उसको सिर्फ देखना है. कभी भी error आता है ना, तो सिर्फ last line देखने का. What is the error?
Name wish list is not defined.
What does that indicates? मतलब आप
Something
उसमें
wrong here.
आप अपनी भाषा में नहीं, आप पहले एक्सप्लेन कीजिए मुझे, वो इंग्लिश से हिंदी ट्रांसलेट कीजिए मेरे लिए कि what does this error mean?
It means that ये जो है, there is no entity by wish list. Like
हाँ,
it's not defined what type it is, or is
Correct.
it a type or whatever? I don't know. Is that
absolutely right. ठीक है.
Hmm.
अब so let us connect the dots.
Shall I do? Oh wait, shall I do this and print wish list and see what happens?
No, नहीं.
हाँ?
नहीं, आप एक छोटी चीज भूल गए हो, लेकिन थोड़ा सा
हम्म।
करिए, थोड़ा एक थोड़ा सा जोर
सोचिए
दीजिए।
थोड़ा सा, हाउ डू वी डिफाइन
Let me try.
समथिंग?
Let me do this first. If I try do, oh no, I can do it here only, and do print. Sorry.
सुदेव जी,
Huh?
आप यू आर प्रोसीडिंग ऑन द रॉन्ग फुटिंग, तो थोड़ा सा
Okay.
थिंक करिए, थोड़ा सा, ज्यादा नहीं। हाँ, सोचिए क्या हो। नाम से कुछ नहीं होता।
नाम में कुछ नहीं लिखा है। विश लिस्ट को मैं अगर रजनीकांत लिस्ट भी डालूंगा ना, कंप्यूटर को फर्क नहीं पड़ता नाम में क्या रखा है।
There should be.
व्हाट
ठीक है,
डिफाइंस अ लिस्ट? व्हाट डिफाइंस अ लिस्ट?
व्हाट डू यू यूज टू क्रिएट समथिंग, टू डिफाइन समथिंग? जब आप मैथ्स करते थे, राइट, तो अगर
If
आपको
which equals.
राइट राइट,
नाउ यू गॉट इट।
अब इसको रन कीजिए। हाँ, अभी कुछ एरर आया?
No.
नहीं आया, बट आपको चेक करना है विश लिस्ट के अंदर वो जो आपने कंटेंट दिया था वो आया कि नहीं आया। हाउ विल यू डू दैट?
Print wish list.
चलो
राइट,
करो।
कीजिए
वैसे सिर्फ विश लिस्ट लिखा तो भी आना चाहिए एक्चुअली।
करते जाओ। नहीं, आएगा सर, आएगा।
Parenthesis.
करेक्ट।
एरर को पढ़िए, मतलब मैं आपको जिंदगी पर थोड़ी
print.
बताऊंगा।
Oh, do you mean print bracket function of which? Sorry. I'm sorry.
शिफ्ट एंटर।
Yeah, no, I hate enter. Yeah, आ गया.
सक्सेस।
क्लैप्स।
Practice is a lot of difference from theory, huh? यहाँ पे.
एग्जैक्टली
राइट,
एग्जैक्टली।
सो इवन यू नो जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो अभी, तब आपको पता चल रहा है इवन अ स्मॉल इक्वल्स टू कैन मेक अ डिफरेंस,
Yeah.
राइट।
देखते ही हमारे दिमाग में सब कुछ चलता है।
Yeah.
we get it 100%, लेकिन टाइप करते तो भूल जाते हैं उसके बाद में क्या था। Am I supposed to do a
That's
square
what happened
bracket
exactly in
here?
today's exercise. I said it's so easy. What happened then? I went to do it and I said, "Oh my God, I'm messing up."
नहीं, वो इसीलिए डरने का नहीं।
No, done I was like, I
हाँ,
thought maybe my
दोनों
concept
तलवार
was
निकाल
wrong.
के बिंदास।
I thought maybe concept is wrong, but then I realized it's a matter of practice.
नहीं,
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
मैं मतलब सुदेव जी, मैं आपको मतलब लेट मी नो इफ आई एम आई गॉट इट राइट और नॉट, बट जब आप पाइथन स्टार्ट कर रहे थे ना, आई थिंक यू आर इन टू मच प्रेशर। आप बहुत ही नर्वस थे, मतलब आई कुड सी
Yeah.
आपका वो जो हैंड्स ट्रेम्बल होता है ना, दैट आई कैन नॉट सी, बट आपका जो माउस पॉइंटर ट्रेम्बल हो रहा था ना, उससे मुझे पता चल रहा था कि इट्स लाइक कि मैंने आपको डायरेक्ट ऑडियंस से स्टेज पे बुला लिया, भाई तुम गाओ अभी। सो वाज दैट अ फीलिंग टू यू?
No, today you're saying or when I first started?
दोनों, अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ, आज जब मैंने बोला स्क्रीन शेयर करके आप
Today,
बताओ।
yeah, I was a little worried if I'm going to mess up, big time. But it's good, कहीं ना कहीं पे शुरुआत करना चाहिए.
राइट, चलो अभी आगे बढ़ते
But actually,
हैं।
the first day we had classes, I thought I'll be so much behind. That's why all the videos I was sitting watching, But then now, after 1 or 2 classes, अरे ये तो easy है, So over the weekend, I was like, okay, I took a little light, and already when I came to do the exercises yesterday night, I said, oh my God, I'm stuck, But anyway,
So
I
it
guess I'll practice more.
Yes, I think practice is more important than just
Understanding the theory.
Yes,
तो theory कुछ ज़्यादा है ही नहीं, I think, as much as the
है बहुत है।
I mean, yeah.
Don't underestimate
No,
anything.
I mean, है नहीं मतलब, I mean, it's there, but it's not as important as getting the code correct at our level.
हाँ, आएगा। हम समझ के लेंगे, हम अपनी what do you call पूरी इच्छा शक्ति लगा के समझेंगे, बस तो समझ जाएंगे।
एकदम। सो सुदेव जी, लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद दैट। अभी इस विश लिस्ट के अंदर आपको एक बुलियन ऐड करना है, whether you are married or not.
Okay, I have to do append.
How will you add it?
Yes.
Do it.
I'll do it.
I'll share the solution once you are done. I'll not teach you.
Whether I'm married or not, so it's
how do you add an element in a list?
Append. No, append is at the end. In between.
No, don't want to add it in between. You can never add it in between. Just a hint.
Okay,
आप लास्ट में ऐड करो ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? मैंने बीच में नहीं बोला, मैंने उसे बोला आपको ऐड करना है एक एलिमेंट।
Can I continue or you want me to type the list again?
Nope, you have to do it in a new line. Whenever एक नया लाइन, इस वही तो फायदा है ना जुपिटर का, आपको जो भी करना है ना, एक बार आपने उसको रन कर दिया, भूल जाइए थोड़ी देर के लिए उसको।
ओके
नहीं 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 नहीं, मैंने आपको नया लिस्ट डिफाइन
अच्छा,
करना,
okay,
मैंने क्या बोला, एग्जिस्टिंग के अंदर आपको एक एलिमेंट ऐड करना है।
So I can't just do append over here.
Try it out. But why do you want to do it ऊपर?
Sure. That's why I copied the line and I was going to do it at the bottom here. I was going to do this and then add append here and see what happens.
Do it.
Append and then in which position also I have to say, right?
No, append always happens at the last. So position is not something you can control.
Append, and how do I add the true false? Wait, append, wait. No.
Invalid syntax मतलब कहीं ना कहीं पे you are not following the rules.
Yeah.
अब देखो आपको invalid syntax आया ना,
Yeah.
अब आप एक नया टैब खोलिए गूगल क्रोम के अंदर।
Chrome में, okay.
हाँ।
Copy that.
नहीं, आपने नया विंडो क्यों खोला, इसको क्लोज कर दीजिए, नया टैब ही खोलिए ना। Why do you want to switch?
Oh, sorry. Okay.
हाँ, एक नया टैब खोल दीजिए और सर्च मार दिए add element. What do you want to do? Just search. How will you do that? पहले आप खुद से कीजिए कि how would you do that? Right.
Append bracket. Dot.
No. Okay, so see what, again you are reading it from the surface and trying it. Look at some examples. नीचे जाइए। First result ऐसा जरूरी तो नहीं कि भाई ये बेस्ट ही हो, नीचे आ जाइए ना, नीचे आ जाइए। Look at websites that you are comfortable with, जैसे W3 Schools, Tutorials Point, Geeks for Geeks, ये सब websites कैसी है? You can use it. It's a standard website.
Yeah.
So नीचे जाइए, हाँ ये भी चलेगा, W3 Schools भी चलेगा, just go there. Right. Look at the examples.
This list.
हाँ.
Dot append bracket. Oh. Okay, so let me go back here. Bracket. And this. So what I would have to do over here. Let me first. This list. Dot append.
उसको स्टार्टिंग से समझने की,
हाँ.
स्टार्टिंग से समझने की कोशिश, 3 ही लाइन है, राइट? इट शुड नॉट टेक मोर देन 2 minutes.
Dot append.
जयंती जी,
जी,
मैंने एक लाइन लिखी लेकिन मुझे आ रहा है error. Same thing, and here is my error which I'm going to share in.
ठीक है, आप एक स्क्रीन, आप आइदर वो एरर को पेस्ट कर सकते हैं या फिर उसका स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल के व्हाट्सएप पे डाल दीजिए।
नहीं, वो भी है, अभी भी यही कर रहे हैं, सेम थिंग कर रहे हैं जो वो कर रहे हैं। So this is my command basically, right? So my list is Jay Shevlikar 50. That's it, right? So this was my definition of my list, which I thought would work. In theory, I thought that Jay and Shevlikar.
Correct,
Yes.
right?
Sudev ji, there is something, just give me 2 minutes.
Sure.
Just give me 2 minutes. I'll just, since Dhananjay is already in the between, I'll just complete it.
Sorry,
Dhananjay
I was
ji,
just sorry, I got excited.
Sorry about that. So when I give that Jay and Shevlikar without double quotes, I thought it would kind of be intelligently picking up it as a string. It is not doing that, and it's giving me error saying that it's not defined or didn't find a variable or something.
Right.
So is it, for me, is it compulsory to have a double quotes all the time?
Right. Because if you are not writing, sorry, because if you are not writing in that quotes, it will not make out whether it is a string that you are passing or is it a variable name that you are passing. What if Jay is a variable defined somewhere in this session? Right, so it is the difference between a variable name and a string is between double
Single
quotes,
double quotes, or yeah, single quote, whatever it is. Basically.
right? So Jay and Shivlikar without double quotes will not work. It will get confused and it will throw some error. So whenever
It's
you
saying
want to,
it's not defined. That's all.
right? So Jay is not defined, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which means Jay is not defined. अब एक काम कीजिए, आप ऊपर है ना जय इज इक्वल्स टू 1 कर दीजिए और शिवलिकर इज इक्वल्स टू 10 कर दीजिए और फिर इसको रन कीजिए.
हो सकता है, मैं तो डबल कोट दे दिया, लेकिन I got the concept though.
You got the concept,
Basically,
right?
yeah. So
यहाँ
it
पे
is by default, whenever there is no double quote, it is gonna assume it is a variable, and it's gonna say that, hey, I didn't find that because you didn't give me double.
right,
Very
Perfect.
simple.
perfect. ठीक है ना?
ठीक है,
Okay.
समझ.
Coming back to Sudev ji. So Sudev ji, my question was, I want you to add a boolean value, true or false. How would you do that? आपने married add कर दिया, no issues. Let it keep it that way. Married is a string. It's not a boolean, is it?
No, it's a string.
It's a string, right?
Yeah.
String can take any value. Boolean can take
Correct.
just two values, true and false.
Right.
So just randomly append a true or false value to the wish list.
Now, do I have to define T or F, or do I have to say
No.
put a question?
Nope. Again, go back to the reference website, add list items.
Adding boolean, right?
Nope, no, don't search it. नीचे कहीं ना कहीं पे रहेगा वो.
Let me just put searching and add boolean. Tuple.
नहीं, ठीक है, इसके अंदर एग्जाम्पल नहीं है.
एक मिनट.
ठीक है, go back.
Oh, sorry, Python.
Are you adding it to a string or you adding it to a list?
Yeah, this is where I get confused. Okay, yeah, I agree.
How to add a boolean one? Spelling गड़बड़ हुआ boolean का.
नहीं, वो तो स्पेलिंग तो देख लेगा गूगल. List.
I'll go to this website. W3. Yeah.
Sudev ji,
Hmm.
I can see that you see a lot of advertisements, and I can give you a tip to not see advertisements again ever on your browsers.
Mm-hmm.
But that will be outside.
Yeah. I'm actually in the ad business also. That's why sometimes
Okay.
I have an ad agency also. So maybe
Okay.
it pops up. Anyway, one second. Where is it? Okay, so here, adding a boolean. You need to know the first true or false. So print. This is so now this is with numerical values. But in a question like, are you married or if you're not married, how would I show that in like this?
ठीक है. So many a time, Sudev ji, the question is not as complex as we think it is. Right? Now, इसको छोड़िए. Go back to the coding screen. ठीक है. अब what was the question? Did you get the question? First, always try to figure out whether you understood the question right or not. ठीक है. So the question was, I want to add a boolean value. अभी boolean value is just another type of value, such as integer, such as float, or such as string, right? उसके अंदर लेकिन integer और number, integer और float या string के अंदर मैं कुछ भी डाल सकता हूँ, any values, but boolean के अंदर I can add only two values,
right.
True or false. So आपको क्या करना है, wishlist.append ब्रैकेट के अंदर wishlist.append कीजिए, ओपन राउंड ब्रैकेट्स,
Sorry.
ठीक है, डाल दीजिए ट्रू, T कैपिटल RUE, एंटर।
Oh, but you are asking me to say whether I'm married or not as a question, and
No,
it
no,
should
no.
automatically. I just have to. That I could also print and add it also, no? Like I just. Okay, 1 second. I thought I have to figure out how to frame the question so the answer will come as true or false.
No, that is why I repeated.
That is not as
Sometimes,
complicated as it is. Okay.
yes. So I
Right, let
repeated
me-
it 3 times because I wanted to confirm whether you got the question right or not. ठीक है, अभी आपने append कर दिया, कैसे आप चेक करोगे कि वो
I'll check
आया
it.
है
I'll
कि
check-
नहीं
wait.
आया है?
Oh no, bracket. Okay. I
आ गया
thought,
true?
yeah. I was breaking my head thinking how to answer the question that I'm married or not married, rather than true or false. I mean, now I understood. Okay, I was overthinking it.
Right.
So
So-
just so that you know what mistake I made,
Mm-hmm.
and because not used to it, and I'm going to
Mhm.
put my stuff what I did
Mm-hmm.
in the chat,
Mm-hmm.
and you know that it was.
Do you want to share your screen?
Yes,
Should I?
don't need to, but here is what I did and it is how it is wrong. So it's my
Okay.
list append, and I said I want to append this one. Is it true?
Mhm.
Which is not the case. Which is I'm
You
actually
put it- you
defining
put it-
something.
Mhm.
So it's all messed up basically. So in theory, that square bracket and the true value should be going into that round bracket.
Round
which
bracket
is,
next to that.
earlier.
Yeah,
Correct.
next to it. Yeah,
So this is the difference between we actually understanding it and actually doing it.
doing it. Yeah, I was actually just cheating blindly off the sheet, so it came out easy for me when I did it the second time. But I realized that going ahead, that's how we should do it, right? Because you're saying that it's not only about understanding, it's about figuring out how to solve the problem every time you're in trouble. So if
Right.
there are references out there, I have to know where to find those references.
Correct.
Yeah, we'll get there hopefully, but then you have to practice more.
राइट राइट राइट, ठीक है। अभी समझ लो आपका बर्थडे हुआ, आज आपका बर्थडे है सुदेव जी,
Right.
आपका उम्र 1 साल इंक्रीज हो गया।
Yeah.
नाउ यू वांट टू चेंज योर एज फ्रॉम 25 to 26, हाउ वुड यू डू दैट?
Okay. So, by the way, I'm 50, yeah, not 25. All right, okay.
No, we are all
We all and I don't make $1 million also. So that's another thing. Okay, wait. So the question is, how do I change the birthday, right?
Correct.
So,
So-
wait a minute. Wait, I'll cheat again. Okay.
ठीक है,
Um.
just okay, search it on your own.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Did I mess up on my phone?
Okay. I'll go straight to wait. I'll do it W3. It goes away. W3
I
on.
think-
One
नहीं, I
second.
think ये जो इंटरफेस है ना आप ये यूज कर रहे हो, that is not
No, I will
as
just write W3
friendly
instead.
as-
Changing in.
नहीं, आई एम आस्किंग यू टू चेंज द इंटरफेस। ये ना, ये जो आप कर रहे हो ना अभी इसमें,
Uh-huh.
it is too much of ads. Instead just open it in a new Google window.
Another tab.
Yes, open it in a new Google window and search the same term. At least interface जो होगा, it will be much more readable because you are used to that.
Let me look for W3 also. I'll put it there. Oops, schools. Okay. Here we go. to this list, add black currant, print. In position 1, add black currant. Okay.
So while he's doing that, I have another question.
Yes,
Do we
Dhananjay.
have any other specific types like, as you said, sequences or something? In Oracle, we have sequences like something, or auto increment
This list.
numbers or something on those lines where you
नहीं
know.
तो अपने पास धनंजय जी सीक्वेंस में वंस ये अपना हो जाएगा लिस्ट, उसके बाद वी हैव टपल, उसके बाद वी हैव डिक्शनरीज.
हाँ.
बस ये इतना ही है. These are the general types. There are some more in data in Python, but then they are not related to data science.
समझ गया. ठीक है. But what the point is that ऐसा कुछ data types रहते क्या? बस that's all I wanted to know.
तो इतने लेवल पे नहीं रहते. ऑटो इंक्रीमेंट टाइप्स वगैरह ये सब नहीं है पाइथन में.
Now just SQL RDBMS में है थोड़ा.
Right. RDBMS is totally more about storing and processing data.
बराबर.
Python is more about applying or knowing how to use the data.
Okay, I'm going to hit run. Shall I hit run?
ठीक है. Can you explain this code first?
Yeah,
What you're trying to do?
This is the name of the this is the list I'm on. Okay.
ठीक है.
In that, in the position 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, I want to effect a change, and that change must equal the bracket inverted the number 26.
ठीक
I'm
है.
copying from here. He wanted to change this to black currant in position 1. Okay, so let me just run a print and see what this goes. Okay?
Don't.
Okay.
Don't. ठीक है. I'll एक बार उस पे जाइए. See, changing is irreversible. But before changing it, would you like to see what's in the position number 3? Would you like to print first?
0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's
Can
what
you
I'm saying. So let me print this. Let me print wish list.
Can you do that on a new line? Because when you
not here.
no, because when you execute it, it will execute both the lines.
Okay, so
yeah. So just add a line.
And wish list. Hit run.
No. Wait. Sudev ji, are you trying to modify the whole list, or are you trying to modify the element at position number 3,
Okay.
index number 3?
Just number 3. I mean, I want to see what the list looks like now. Has it changed?
No, you haven't changed it. You haven't run it.
Okay.
My question was very simple.
Okay, print wish list 3.
आप कुछ चेंज करने से पहले देख लो कि आप क्या चेंज कर रहे हो. आप चेंज क्या कर रहे हो? आप विश लिस्ट को चेंज नहीं कर रहे हो. आप विश लिस्ट के थर्ड इंडेक्स
I
को
was
चेंज
going to
कर
run
रहे
the
हो.
whole list and see if 26 is coming instead of 25.
आपने उसको रन ही नहीं किया तो वो कैसे आएगा? उससे पहले मैंने आपको रोक लिया, राइट?
अच्छा.
आपने रन किया क्या?
You want me to see what is in position 3?
Right.
So ठीक.
हाँ, रन कीजिए.
क्या हुआ?
Equals what? No.
नहीं, read the error and figure out on your own. Read the error.
Parenthesis in call to print. Missing parenthesis in call to print. Yeah. Oh.
Copy paste करी वही.
नहीं, कॉपी पेस्ट मत की. कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे तो कभी सीख ही नहीं पाओगे. इसके लिए तो टाइप किया करो.
अभी पप्पू पास हो गया. अरे ये तो उम्र कम हो गया.
नहीं, आपने उसको रन नहीं किया. अभी आप उसको चेंज करिए. अभी आपको पता चल गया है कि आप जो चेंज कर रहे हो वो 25.
अच्छा. So now I'll run this and see.
हाँ, इसको रन कीजिए. एंड अगेन उसको रन कीजिए. ये वाला नए लाइन को, विश लिस्ट ऑफ 3 को रन कीजिए.
ओके.
क्या आ गया? 26. अभी पूरा का पूरा विश लिस्ट प्रिंट कीजिए.
नो. ओके, प्रिंट विश लिस्ट. ओके,
पूरा का पूरा.
Do I have to put it in brackets? I have to, right?
I don't know.
Okay.
You are doing it for multiple times. So again,
all right, okay.
I cannot help you again and again. It's the same thing.
Sorry. Chalo.
Abhi, do you think it is right or wrong? Can you find out?
Sudev, that 1,026,692. It looks okay to me. Wrong means the name of the list should have changed. No,
No, why do you want to change the name
no,
of
it's
the
the
list?
same
That
list. So then I think it's correct.
No, I don't think this is correct
yes, Dhananjay ji, go on. Why do you think that?
because there is single quotes around that 25, 26. Earlier, there were no single quotes in your
Oh,
20. So that means that that one was a number. And then you put in 26 in single quotes, that means now 26 is a string and it's not a number anymore. So now you have changed the data type which was sitting at that
yeah,
position.
that I have. But is there something wrong with that? Because I actually put it in as a data type. I mean,
No, if you are, let's say on certain date, you are trying to increment that number,
okay.
right? So now your operations would fail because now it's a string and it's not a
Acha,
number.
okay. So let me go back and see how to change.
Same thing, but not with the single quote.
No, but will it take it? Let me see if it runs like that. एक बार.
Why
पहले
not?
ट्राई तो कर लीजिए, पहले ट्राई तो कर
Oh,
लीजिए.
I deleted
अपना
it.
पैसा नहीं लगता है उस चीज को.
कंट्रोल
I
शिफ्ट
deleted it. I think I deleted it. Untitled. This is it.
हाँ, no issues, it is still there.
Hmm.
Sudhirji, was that what you expected?
No,
Oh, sorry.
even when I put it in as a value. But you have a point that if it's part of a program, then if the numeric value does not stay, it will not. It'll fail something down the line. I put
Yeah.
it like a pasted value kind of thing. Okay, here we go. So if I had actually done this, if I remove this, one second.
जय जी बराबर है क्या? वही वही था क्या आपका?
एकदम exactly.
Now let me run this and see what happens. Now it runs and it's still 26.
No. How do you know it's 26?
Yeah.
अरे आपने ये पुराना आंसर है.
Yeah, I ran it and it's
हाँ, बट आपने प्रिंट ये जो 26 आपको दिख रहा है, that is from the previous run. How do you know जो current value वो भी 26 है?
I hit run here.
अरे I agree, सुदेव जी, but
अच्छा, well, from
आपने
here now
इसको
I'll check this if the commas go away like this. Here you can check. अच्छा.
right.
हाँ तो वो जय जी आपको बोल रहे हैं सुदेव जी कि आप हमेशा नए लाइन पे जो करो जो करना है तो you have a trail of what you did.
अच्छा.
Now because you're jumping from here to there to there to there,
Then I'll forget.
mental note हाँ निकल जाता है कि इसके बाद में क्या किया.
Right. Sudev ji, did you get it?
Yes, I understood it.
Right. What is the, okay, now you answer me, what is the difference between 26 as a string and 26 as the number?
26 as a string is just the value 26, which will print as 26. 26 as a number will be, it remains, take your value that one is like a print where you put it and it's gone. And as a number, you can take a function. You can add to it tomorrow. You can make it a part of something which increases. Like in Excel, you do paste, paste value, or you paste. That's not the right example. Basically, it retains as a number. This is now 26 as a number, which can be increased or decreased or whatever later on.
चलो ठीक है, I think that is fine. Just to make it better is, जैसे घर के अंदर जो बर्तन होता है, ग्लास का एक पर्पस होता है, बाउल का एक पर्पस होता है. मैं गुलाब जामुन ग्लास के अंदर नहीं दे सकता, मैं पानी बाउल के अंदर नहीं पी सकता, राइट? हर एक का अपना अपना एक पर्पस होता है.
अच्छा.
वैसे ही अगर वो स्ट्रिंग है तो मुझे स्ट्रिंग को लाइफ में मैं कभी ऐड नहीं करूंगा, जय प्लस शेवलीकर मैं कभी ऐड नहीं करूंगा, बट एक नंबर है, उसके अंदर मैं मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस करना चाहूंगा, इसके लिए तो मैंने नंबर डाला है ना.
अच्छा. Yeah, and when I first put it in, I just thought you want me to state my age, period. That way you see even my salary I put as a age, as a number, period. I should have also kept that as a number so that tomorrow, if I say that tomorrow if you get 10% increment year on year, which year will your salary become 2 million?
राइट.
So
आपने नंबर को, आपने आपकी सैलरी को नंबर ही डाला है, बाय द वे. वो कोट्स के बीच में नहीं है. लुक एट इट.
Let me check.
कोट्स के बीच में है क्या वो?
But ये तो क्या है फिर? Why? Oh, this was also a number, but then when I increased my age, I made it just okay. When I increased it originally, I put it in inverted commas, so I took out the numerical thing and just pasted it as a value, like not as a number, not as a value. What's as a print, like a print command sort of thing.
right.
as a string.
Abhi,
What was the right word to use? String.
yes, so anything in quotes is a string,
String.
anything without a quotes is a number.
Number. Okay. So this is the place where I went wrong when I did this line originally without
Right.
the with the quotes in place.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think you're getting a hold of it now. But I think Sudevji, the
Practice.
only part, yes, practice. I don't know what time schedule, how much busy you are, but if you are expecting a job out of after 6 weeks or 8 weeks, then you must practice, because
Yeah.
not every day, we can learn in the same fashion that we did today. Today, I just wanted to give you the taste ki bhai,
Yeah.
thinking that you know something is different from actually knowing something.
Yeah.
It's only when you practice, you work, you know when you are जब आप पानी में कूदते हो तब आपको पता चलता है
तैरना, हाँ.
पानी की गहराई, ठीक है ना. बाहर से अपने को लगता है सिर्फ हाथ पैर हिलाना है, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. एंड इतना डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं है. आप एक बार डूबोगे, 2 बार डूबोगे, कोई 3 बार डूबेगा, मेरे जैसा 10 बार डूबेगा, लेकिन एक ना एक दिन तैरना है सबको.
No, and also there is this, not these reference points, which is something Dhananjay ji was pointing out. That always figure out where to get the solutions if you're stuck. You also
Right.
mentioned it last class, but today I actually I used it to my
Right. Right. So I'll just stop here today. I'll not teach anything new, but I would just leave you with one thought. एक बार आप W3 schools पे Python टाइप कीजिए. Just type W3 schools Python. या फिर आप उसी लिंक पे जाइए, लेफ्ट साइड में आपको Python ट्यूटोरियल दिख रहा है. हाँ, आपको ये सब प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा.
These are exercises.
Yeah, these are theory plus exercises. So you have theory, you have exercise, and you have practice assignment for each and everything.
Okay.
आप जितना टाइम दोगे सुदेव जी, that will be better.
उतना आप शार्प हो गए, बिकॉज अभी तो हम सिर्फ पाइथन पे हैं सुदेव जी. अभी तो हम सिर्फ पाइथन में, उसके आगे स्टैटिस्टिक्स आएगा, उसके बाद मशीन लर्निंग आएगा. तो अगर पाइथन पे ही अगर हम लोग इतना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे नहीं लगता मशीन लर्निंग और स्टैटिस्टिक्स हम कर पाएंगे विद द सेम स्पीड दैट वी आर गोइंग टुडे. सो हेंस इन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ कि भाई पूरे क्लास का स्पीड शुड बी मेंटेन्ड, आई थिंक ये आपको करना पड़ेगा.
ओके,
ठीक है, गिव मी 1 सेकेंड. ओके, ठीक है. सो गाइस, वी जस्ट स्टॉप हियर फॉर टुडे.
मैंने वो एक किया था, आई थिंक आई शेयर्ड इन द चैट.
अच्छा,
Then my list, whatever index equal to my list, that same index plus 1.
Okay.
Would that be a proper thing to do?
if
Would that assign the value? I haven't tried it, but I just wanted to
no,
sort
it
of
should
get.
work. It should not give you an error, because syntactically it is not wrong. It depends upon what you're trying to do. जैसे अगर the element at index 3 is a number, so it will add 1. I'm just concerned about the string part. If it's a string or if it's not a numeric, so whether it would concatenate it or it will give you an error कि भाई this is not possible करके.
I knew that उसमें मेरा AG था, तो that so the automate हो गया, मतलब that's all I wanted to kind of see, that one, that would it treat as a that invisible parenthesis around my list 3 plus 1, इसके एक invisible parenthesis है, right, उसके
Right.
आगे पीछे, so that one it took, I guess, so that works. Only thing which I wanted to know was if it was a string, then it would, of course, as you said, was a issue or boolean है, तो भी match नहीं हुआ data type का operation, तो not करेगा.
Right. वो एरर देगा या फिर वो कॉन्कैटिनेट करेगा. दो ही पॉसिबिलिटीज है. वो अभी वो क्या करता है ये अपने को ट्राई करके देखना पड़ेगा एक बार.
Correct.
ठीक है ना. कल नहीं, आप खुद ट्राई करोगे ये. कभी भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते, व्हाई आर यू वेटिंग 24 आवर्स 48 आवर्स टू गेट अ सिंपल आंसर फॉर दिस. कुछ भी क्यूरियोसिटी आया माइंड में, जस्ट ट्राई कर लेने का, वहीं पे वो इट गेट क्लोज्ड. अदरवाइज विल बी फोकस मोर ऑन ये क्या होता है. ऐसा तो है नहीं दिस इज रॉकेट साइंस. इज दिस रॉकेट साइंस धनंजय जी?
अब बिल्कुल ही नहीं.
राइट, 2 सेकंड का काम है. मैं अभी स्क्रीन शेयर करके कर सकता हूं, बट आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. मैं स्पून फीड नहीं करना चाहता.
if you want.
नहीं, यू डू इट. ठीक है, चलो कर दो. सिर्फ माई लिस्ट की जगह पे विश लिस्ट कर दो.
Oh, I can't do this with, I can't just do a new list or no?
You
तो
can, but
टाइम लगेगा ना, तो उसके
टाइम
लिए
लगेगा.
Okay,
Time लगेगा.
I'll just, you want
he
to
is
take the
trying to
second
be
line?
more efficient.
Yeah, I'll make it for
Right.
my wish list. One sec. Oh, you want me to type it full, right? You always say.
Type it full. Wish list of 3 equals to wish list of 3 plus 1.
3 equals.
You are assigning a value, right? So wish list of 3
List of 3 plus 1. Shall I hit run?
right? Yes. अब print
Print
करो.
करेंगे.
Print wish list. Print wish list.
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong.
Oh.
आप भूल गए
Oh,
वो
wait.
parenthesis.
Yeah, parenthesis. Oh, you want me to type it separately again? Oh,
नहीं नहीं ठीक है, चल.
okay.
एरर आया तो उसमें ही कर दीजिए. अगर आउटपुट आया तो नहीं करते.
अब
So
बढ़
what
गया.
is the +1?
अब या क्या एज चेंज हो गया, राइट? आपका +1 हो गया.
Oh, okay. 3. अच्छा, cell number, that position number 3 +1.
हाँ, अब एक काम कीजिए, वही विश लिस्ट को विश लिस्ट ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल्स टू विश लिस्ट ऑफ 1 + 1 कीजिए.
Wish list
ऑफ 1
of 1
Wrong.
इज इक्वल्स टू विश लिस्ट ऑफ 1 + 1.
equals to wish list.
सुदेव जी, ऐसे टाइम मामलों में वो तो आपको विश लिस्ट ऑफ 1 कॉपी करने का वर्ड पूरा और वही यूज करने का. रॉन्ग है
1
वो.
+ 1 like this
नो 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 नो, दैट
in the bracket.
देखो आप कॉन्सेप्ट समझिए सुधीर जी, आप कॉन्सेप्ट कीजिए. मैं क्या करता हूँ यहाँ पे, विश लिस्ट के इंडेक्स नंबर 1 पे जो भी है
Uh-huh.
इक्वल्स टू विश लिस्ट
That-
के इंडेक्स नंबर 1 पे है +1. Add
So,
1 to
so the bracket should be there, right?
करेक्ट.
No, when you
Same
were saying
thing
it
है.
like that, I just
लेफ्ट
wrote
में
it
और राइट
right.
में दोनों चीज सेम ही है. करेक्ट.
ठीक है?
आप इधर लेफ्ट में आपने विश लिस्ट के बारे में एक स्पेस दिया है, राइट में नहीं दिया है.
Okay, okay.
So you need to be consistent with whatever you do.
Okay.
ठीक है,
Let
ट्राई
it run.
करिए.
कीजिए ट्राई.
क्या हुआ?
Can only concatenate string, not
करेक्ट. पहला आपका क्या था? नंबर 1 पे क्या है आपके?
so my name.
हाँ, तो सुदेव में
So-
ये एक नंबर
okay.
कैसे ऐड करें?
So you can do it for 3. Or should I
Yeah.
change it here? Or
किया ना आपने अभी ऑलरेडी.
we
अभी
did it
27
already.
के हो गया.
Yeah, we did it once
अभी
already.
28 के हो जाएंगे.
Yeah, no problem. उम्र थोड़ा बढ़ेगा. Okay.
करिए प्रिंट वापस. कॉपी करिए वो प्रिंट विश लिस्ट का कोड. या
हाँ.
हो गए. 28 के हो गए.
Mhm.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
ठीक है. सो धनंजय जी, होमवर्क फॉर यू
हाँ
इज, मैंने जो शीट दिया है ना, जो मैंने
हाँ, वो
अटैच किया
करना.
था उस दिन, आपको पूरा करना है. जस्ट गो थ्रू इट वंस. पूरा का पूरा रन करके देख लीजिए. जो मैंने नहीं किया है ना, वो भी आपको रन करना है.
अरे काय को मुझे
नहीं करना है आपको करना है. आपको करना है. ठीक है ना?
ठीक है.
ठीक है सुदेव जी, आपको पूरा पाइथन प्रैक्टिस करना है. आई विल लुक फॉर अनदर वेबसाइट एज वेल, जहाँ पे आप वहां पे पूरा स्टार्ट से स्टार्ट कर सको. बेसिक्स ऑफ पाइथन जो मैंने ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुका है वो भी. ठीक है ना?
ठीक.
Till then, use W3. I'll just search for another good website as
Everyone
well.
talks of Code Academy over here. I don't know. Have you heard of that?
See, there are thousands of that,
Okay.
but let's not get into
No,
that.
no, I'm just suggesting. I hear a lot about it. That's why.
कोडिंग वोडिंग ये सब बहुत
You-
सारा.
you hear
Python का
about
मास्टर
it.
नहीं बनना है.
Yes,
हमको
you hear
डेटा
about-
साइंस का मास्टर बनना है.
Absolutely. You hear about it because they market themselves very well.
Achha.
So things you don't hear are not always bad, right?
No, naturally.
Okay. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. So guys, we stop here.
And tuple is also in the same practice thing, right? I'll just continue if I get there, right? Tuple?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
लिस्ट और टपल में सिर्फ इतना डिफरेंस है
Uh-huh.
कि लिस्ट एक बार बन चुका है तो
Right.
आप उसके अंदर अपेंड कर सकते हो. आप
Okay.
एग्जिस्टिंग एलिमेंट को मॉडिफाई कर सकते हो, जैसे अपन ने आपका एज बढ़ाया, टपल एक बार बन गया तो बन गया।
ऐसे समझिए कि रीड राइट वाला सीडी है और एक ही बार में राइट करने
रीड
वाला है।
ओनली है, राइट राइट। तो टपल को आप है ना मॉडिफाई नहीं कर सकते कभी भी, एक बार टपल बन गया तो बन गया, आप उसको डिलीट कर सकते हो, आप उसके जगह पे एक नया टपल ला सकते हो, मतलब आप उसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हो पूरा का पूरा टपल को, बट आप उसके अंदर एलिमेंट्स को टच नहीं कर सकते।
Okay.
ठीक है,
स्ट्रक्चर रिजिड रहेगा।
And can tuple be a collection of elements? Like, can it have, like, in here you did that one example. The third element has four numbers in it. Can tuple
yes,
have multiple numbers inside it, or multiple elements of like Boolean and all
absolutely. When I say it's as good as list,
that
so
inside?
tuple can also have this elements of dissimilar data types.
Acha.
सो
But
जे
you
जी
cannot
आपके लिए
change.
क्वेश्चन है मेरा।
हाँ जी सर।
हाँ, लिस्ट पूरी की पूरी कॉपी हो सकती है दूसरे लिस्ट में?
हाँ जी, उसको बोलते हैं एक्सटेंड। और कॉपी भी एक है, लिस्ट का एक कॉपी करके एक आता है। अगर आपको एक फ्रेश लिस्ट के अंदर कॉपी करना है तो उसके लिए है कॉपी। अगर आपको एक एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट है उसके अंदर आपको लिस्ट को कंबाइन करना है तो उसके लिए है एक्सटेंड।
ओके, मतलब 2 लिस्ट जोड़ दो।
बराबर, एक ट्रेन का डब्बा है, 5 डब्बे है उसके अंदर, आपको और 5 डब्बे ऐड करने दूसरी लिस्ट के, तो आप एक्सटेंड करोगे।
समझ, ठीक
ठीक है, ठीक है।
इंटरेस्टिंग।
Okay, so guys, I leave you with this thought for today. Sudev ji, buckle up, practice up. कुछ भी डाउट आता है, I'm just a chat away.
Yeah.
But it is I can guide you, but it is you who will have to walk the path. ठीक है ना, आपको जॉब
आई
चाहिए,
नो यू आर
आपको
इन द एडवर्टाइजमेंट बिजनेस, लेकिन इसमें आपको एडवर्टाइज ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए।
Yeah. How do you remove it? You want me to remove it? You said, right?
Yeah, he can
नहीं,
stop recording, I guess, but I'll tell you.
It's okay. You can just
ठीक
tell
है।
me briefly. I can.
तो आपको एक एक्सटेंशन ऐड करना है, which is called राइट में है, 3 डॉट्स में है वो एक्सटेंशन। या वहाँ पे।
धनंजय जी, आप सिर्फ उसको ना अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में चैट कर दीजिए, बिकॉज
ओके, ठीक है, चलेगा चलेगा। We'll close this one. Exactly.
something to happen on
सुदेव
my
जी,
front,
yeah,
right?
I'll talk to you on the DM, PM,
Okay.
whatever.
Okay.
ठीक है,
Okay guys,
चलो,
thank you, see
Thank
you day after,
Yeah.
अच्छा,
Thank you.
चलो,
bye.
बाय।